You're booking a rental car for a trip and face the counter conundrum: pay extra for the rental company's insurance or hope your credit card protection will cover it. The American Express Gold Card promises coverage for damage or theft of rental vehicles when you pay with the card and decline the rental company's collision damage waiver. Sounds ideal, right? But when you examine the terms closely, you have to ask, is this rental car insurance really worth relying on in 2026? Or is it a partial safety net with big gaps? Over the past few years, I've reviewed several travel credit card perks, rental insurance included, from major issuers. I've used rental cars in multiple countries, different vehicle types, and examined how well the free card-included coverage actually works in practice. Claim filing, exclusions, deductibles, and how it interacts with other insurance. For this review, I dug into the Amex Gold Card's rental car insurance benefit, reviewed the latest policy details, tracked user experiences, and noted where the benefit excels and where it falls short. The Amex Gold Card's rental car insurance benefit rests on three main claims. Claim, for one, damage or theft, covered up to $50,000 per rental. If you pay for the full rental with your card and decline the rental company's CDW, Amex says you can be covered for damage or theft of most rental vehicles. Claim number 2, worldwide usage with some exclusions. The coverage applies in many locations for many rentals, offering protection without you paying extra at the counter. Claim number 3, no additional cost beyond the card. The benefit is included as part of the card, so you don't need to pay a separate insurance premium for the basic coverage. These are strong claims, but how do they stack up when you read the fine print? Coverage scope and exclusions. The policy clearly states the insurance is secondary, meaning your own auto insurance policy must be used first. If you don't have primary auto coverage, this becomes a risk. The benefit doesn't include liability for damage to other vehicles or injury. Certain countries, for example Australia, Italy, New Zealand, are excluded. Many vehicle types, luxury cars, vans, motorcycles, also may be excluded. Conditions for eligibility. To trigger coverage, you must pay for the entire rental cost with your Amex Gold, decline the collision damage waiver at the rental company, and the rental must be for a limited number of days. Failure on any of these invalidates the benefit. Real-world user feedback. Some users report that when the benefit is used correctly, claims have been processed and reimbursed. Others report surprise bills when the rental terms weren't fully aligned with requirements. For example, payment split across cards, rental in excluded country, or CDW not declined. The most cited frustration: you still must involve your primary auto insurer if you have one, which can impact premiums. Value comparison. If you don't pay for the rental company's insurance, the card benefit can save hundreds, but given the exclusions and secondary nature, it's best viewed as helpful backup rather than full protection. For high-value rentals, exotic cars, longer durations, or travel in more exotic locations, you may still need to purchase or verify additional coverage. So, is the Amex Gold rental car insurance benefit worth it in 2026? The answer, yes, but with caveats. If you travel often, rent mainstream cars, use your Amex Gold correctly, full payment on card, CDW declined, rental in covered country. Then the benefit provides meaningful extra protection at no extra cost. It can reduce the need to pay the rental car company's high upfront insurance fees. However, if you rent luxury vehicles, travel in high-risk or excluded countries, rely on the card as primary insurance, which it isn't, or want liability coverage for damage to others, you may find the benefit insufficient. It should not replace full insurance when the stakes are high. In short, the Amex Gold benefit is a smart travel perk, definitely worth your time if you understand and comply with its limitations. But it is not a substitute for comprehensive rental car insurance in all scenarios. Check your rental details and your existing auto policy before relying solely on the card coverage.